Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to fix the minus button so that when the user clears the display and they hit the minus key, a minus sign appears so that they can do a negative number. Right now, the way we left it after preventing the program from crashing when they hit the minus key, nothing happens at all, so that if they want to do a negative number, they're going to have to hit the plus minus key after they enter the number, which isn't the ideal scenario. So we would like it so that if there's nothing in the display, a minus sign will appear. Otherwise, it will treat hitting the minus key like subtraction. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go to the minus event handler and look at the logic. So if there's nothing there, if there's something other than nothing, then I want to treat it like I'm doing subtraction. However, if there is something there, which would be the case where the only other situation where it's not equal to nothing, it must be equal to something, then I'm going to do label calc.text plus equals minus sign. So in that case, I do want to put a minus sign in the window. So let's see if it works now. So minus 96. Good. And then plus 6 equals. All right, excellent.